Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Netflix on LG OLED TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. Start by turning on your LG OLED TV. Using your remote, press the home button. Navigate to the LG Content Store. Once you're in the store, use the search function to find Netflix. Highlight the Netflix app and select it. Click on the Install button to download the app. After installation, return to the home screen. Locate the Netflix icon among your apps. Select the Netflix app to open it. Once the app opens, you'll see a prompt to sign in. If you already have a Netflix account, choose the Sign In option. Enter your email and password associated with your Netflix account. If you don't have an account, you can select the option to sign up. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account if necessary. Once signed in, you will see the Netflix home screen. You can now browse, search, and enjoy your favorite content. If you encounter any issues, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Go to Settings and check your network connection if needed. Now, you're all set to enjoy Netflix on your LG OLED TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.